Assalamu alaikum children, welcome back to our new class. Hope everyone is enjoying. So children, our next lesson is draw and color shapes. So draw and color shapes, everyone will do a drawing. Yes, we have drawing books, crayons, watercolors, etc. Let us see drawing in a computer. Using the polygon tool, select the polygon tool from the shapes group. Select the thickness of a line by clicking on the size button. Select red color from your colors group. Draw a line AB by clicking and dragging the mouse from point A and releasing the point button at point B. Move the pointer to the point C and click once. The line will be BC will be drawn. Now bring the mouse pointer to the point D and click once further. Click the left mouse button at point E. Double click at the final point A to close the shape. Now click on fill with color tool from the tools group. Select your color and fill with the triangles of the star has shown. So children, see, this is nothing but a polygon tool. See, here we are having lots of shapes, children. With the help of that shape, what we can do, we can make a drawing of any shape. So here we are taking a polygon shape. So polygon shape. So we have to take first from A to B. Then from B to C, then last we have to close with the C to A. See here. This is nothing but using polygon tool. What we can do, we can draw the star. Polygon tool, nothing but lining. We can make the lines broad, we can make the lines thick. We have to select the polygon tool from the shapes. These are nothing but shapes. Now from that shapes tools, what we have to select? We have to select first polygon tool. Then we have to click from A to B, B to C, C to A. We can make our star. Then use of your favorite color and you have to fill that polygon tool. Okay children? Using airbrush. Select any color from the colors group. Click on the brush tool and select the airbrush. Click on the brushes and tool and select airbrush option. Select the desired spray size from the size button. Move the mouse pointer into the drawing area. See, it's nothing but airbrush. We can make fill the color. Click on the mouse button on the area where you want to spray the color. In the same manner, you can make use of the other brushes. See children, these are the nothing but air brushes. See, everyone having different shapes. Some is broad, some is thin, some is big, some is small. See, everyone have their different shapes and different tools. So with the help of these tools, what we can make our drawing beautiful. Yes, with the help of this airbrush spray, we can spray. See here like this. We can spray means it's make the drawing beautiful using airbrush. So where is the airbrush? Airbrush, you have to select that from the colors. Select on the brushes tools and select the airbrush option. It will be in the colors group. From that we can take the airbrush. Saving the drawing. It is important to save your drawing in between so that you do not lose it in the case of any power failure. Draw any picture. See, if any power loss, so what we have to do? So we have to save the drawing before any issue is there with the power means we can save our drawing. Let us see how we have to save our drawing. Draw any picture in a pen. You can draw any picture like house, kite, butterfly, car, etc. So click on the paint button and select the save option. So what we have to click? We have to click on the paint button. Here they are having the options to save the file. The save has windows appears on the screen. So on the screen it will show the save has a window. Type a name. If you want to save the file by your name, you can type your name and you can save that file. So first you have to draw any picture, then you have to go for paint button. There will be having the save option. In that save option, what we have to do, you have to type your name and you can save the file. After saving that file, we can open it again. Open the saved drawing. The drawing that you have saved can be opened at any time. First open paint by clicking on start all program accessory paint. See, if you want to open the paint, so first what we have to do, we have to click on start button, then we have to go for all program accessory, then next paint. Click on paint button menu and select the open option. The open window appears. Select the file name from the list. Click on the open button. You will find the some drawing that you have made. See, first what we have to do, we have to click on paint button. Then they will show the many options to open. After opening, children, you have set by your name. Yes, you can open your name file and you can see the drawing will be the same. Whatever we have saved in the previous, we can see that by naming yourself. Now you have saved the file by your name. Yes, so by clicking on that name file, we can open our drawing. So this is nothing but a lesson of draw and color shapes. We can use many shapes. Here we are having polygon, circle, star, triangle, rectangle, arrow, etc. By that we can make any color, any tool, and we can make the beautiful drawing, and we can use lots of color. Okay children, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.